Morning guys, a couple of things I wanted to talk about was Matt Armstrong and the repair of my other Tesla. So Matt Armstrong, we all know now. A few years ago I met him. There was a queue of like 3 or 4 people just to shake hands with Matt and say well done to your YouTube channels and keep up good work and have a photo. And back in the day when he first started, you know, fixing his cars in his driveway and things like that. But now he's at a show and he overtook the show literally on a YouTube video I saw yesterday, but of course they mentioned his name so they get more views. He literally took over the show and made like 500 people, 500 waiting to see him, waiting for a bloody signature. Amazing. Anyway, well done Matt. Moving on, next thing, my other Tesla. Well, got damaged a few months ago. I accidentally backed into another vehicle behind me, a van, and damaged the rear quarter, the rear apron, and a little dent in the boot lid. You know, that's my other Tesla, the long range, not this performance one. And this keeps on falling over. So I'm going to hold it anyway now. So that cost the insurance, well, the guy who repaired it, the Colourworks in Newquay, done a great job by the way, said £2,700 just to paint the rear quarter, a new rear plastic apron part on the back, you know, the great big black plastic part there, near reflector, and take the boot lid off and just repair the bit. Well, it hadn't even cracked the paint. 2,800 I believe plus VAT, but I paid through insurance. I got my insurance claim and I had to pay my excess of £900 excess. That's crazy, isn't it? I need to look at that. That's too much excess. Mind you, my premium's gone down this year. Right, I'm with Direct Line and insurance premium. My premium went down. I didn't look around, but they dropped it down by almost £300 for each car. I pay £600 per car, about 620, 630 it was, and it was about 950 each car. So it's going again. So Direct Line guys, for your Tesla, probably a good idea. They do help you out. Anything else happening? I'm still waiting for a part from Tesla, and this has got to be 6 months ago, for a Tesla badge saying dual motor, just the normal dual motor badge. There isn't one at Tesla, and he's been waiting now for probably about 3 months, Colourworks, for that part to come in, and he still hasn't got it. And it's only like a 10-minute, you know, stick it on, peel off the blue tape and put it on. So it's not going to stay up, is it? So I'm going to hold it anyway. Anything else? I did take my Teslas for a service the other day at the red one. I had a suspension problem. It making a squeaking noise from the front or the near side, front left near side or the back. I couldn't work out what. At Tesla in Exeter, and they fixed it in about 3 hours, and they gave the car a good valet inside and out. So thank you to them. They've done a great job. I must say, Tesla do look after you after sales. If you buy a Tesla, a new one, it's under warranty. I've had Tesla come out to me before. They do have a mobile mechanic, if you like, a mechanic. They've called it that, electrical mechanic. Somebody knows about electrics, driving around the southwest where I live, down in Cornwall. And he'd done about 90,000 miles in 2 years in the Tesla Model Y he had. And he just fixed a broken seat for me. If they can fix it on your driveway, you don't need to go to see Tesla themselves at a service station, something like that, where I had to drive an hour. But that's fine, because they gave me another car. The guy in there, I bought him a Nando's burger. He said, you buy me a burger, I'll give you a car. I think he would have given me one anyway. But so I got a new Model Y to drive in, and I drove that Model Y to into Exeter town, parked up. A new Model Y. Did I like it? I was going to save that for another video, but I tell you in this video, no, I would stick with the old one. I like the driving stalks having 2 stalks. The new stalk in the new one is very flimsy, very tiny. It's like that. It's like a little pointed stick. I like the stalks in this one. Otherwise, inside it's the same. It has got ventilated seats. Yes, I do give you that. This has just got heated seats. But do you really need it much in the UK? You know, it's always cold most of the time here, even in August, isn't it? You know, although we've had a few heat waves. But anyway, I think for the extra money, buy the old one. And if you're going to buy an old one, buy one now, because they're all discounted on Tesla. If you look at tesla.com in the UK, they're like 10,000 off all the new ones. A new Model Y Performance, this one was 62,000. No, sorry, 57. One was 62 because of upgrades, but a Performance is like 50k now. They've got, you know, 7, 8, 9, 10,000 off depending on what model. So good time to buy a brand new Tesla, and don't be frightened to go for the old model. In my opinion, just my opinion, it's the better car. It's the same car really. I mean, you just got a few little changes of these lights going around the new one. Why do you need these colored lights going around this new one? I mean, it's not an improvement, it's just an add-on. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I won't rumble on anymore. Thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. Let's get my subscribers up, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers. Thanks for watching.